You're probably seeing affirmative action all over the place. So what is it? According to Cornell Law School, affirmative action is a set of policies or procedures that is to eliminate the current discrimination, remedy past discriminations, and prevent future discriminations. By the way, discrimination is when you treat someone differently because of their protected characteristics, such as age, gender, and race. Historically, affirmative actions are used in two contexts: getting to school and getting a job. The basic rule is because of past discrimination, companies and school institutions should be mindful to remedy and prevent future discrimination. In the work context, this is something referred to as Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Program, or DEI. But today, it's all about the hottest potato on the news, getting into school. Some people may think, of course, schools should consider race as one of the factors when admitting students. But others may advocate, no, you should not. Because even if you're trying to help, considering race as one of the beneficial factors would mean that you're actually discriminating against others because others' race. So schools are in a pickle. Should we consider race or not? The Supreme Court has not been helpful. Let me give you a timeline. In 1978, Supreme Court said, right now, schools cannot have racial quotas. What that means is you cannot have a designated percentage of the student body because of their race. In 2003, Supreme Court then looked at the social structure and said, race cannot be a determining factor. In the same year, Supreme Court slowed down and said, wait, you can't use race as a determining factor, but you can use race as one of the factors. Fast forward to 2016, Supreme Court said, wait, actually, race can be used as a factor of a factor of a factor. Now, 2023, Supreme Court says to Harvard and the University of North Carolina, you cannot use race as one of the factors at all. However, applicants can talk about race in a personal essay to show how much hardship they have overcome. The bottom line, remember, discrimination is when you treat someone differently because of their protected characteristics, such as age, gender, race, etc., even if you're trying to help. And with all these cases, we lawyers have a tough job to do. We'll talk about how affirmative action is in a work context in our next video. My name is Richard Liu. I'm your Defense Employment Counsel.